Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this slow cooker style curry potato recipe. It's delicious, hearty, healthy, wholesome, vegan friendly, everything that you need in a recipe. So let's get to it. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some sweet potato. I'm using the sweet potato with orange flesh because I wasn't able to get the typical Caribbean sweet potato at the time, so I'm using that one instead. You're also going to need some onion, garlic, scallion and ginger, bell peppers of any color. I'm using green and red bell peppers. You're also going to need some peas, what Caribbean people call peas. So in this case we're using red kidney beans. So I have some canned ones that I've already drained and they were in water, so you want to get rid of that and make sure it's not in salted water. You're also going to need some coconut milk, olive oil. I have some 𝐘𝐞𝐝 chopped up there. Some people call it 𝐘𝐨𝐿 or 𝐘𝐿, lime, cinnamon stick. Just lost my train of thought there. Some thyme, some bay leaves, curry powder, a small amount of water, some pink salt, black pepper and some allspice, also known as pimento. So the first thing we need to do is we need to heat some olive oil in a large frying pan or a skillet, and the next thing that you need to do after that is you need to add your base ingredients. So your base ingredients are going to be your onion, garlic, scallion and also your ginger. And then what you need to do after that is you just need to saute them until they're soft and translucent. So now it's time to add our curry powder. So I'm using my Jamaican curry powder and I'll put the link to that in the video. You also need to add our allspice, black pepper and pink salt, and then what we're going to do is you're just going to fold that in with the base ingredients. So the next thing that we need to do is to just now add our bell peppers, and we're just going to continue to cook them until they become soft. So it's going to take a few minutes until they become nice and soft. So now you're going to transfer the ingredients that you sauteed into your slow cooker, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So that would be the sweet potato, the 𝐘𝐿, the red kidney beans, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, thyme, coconut milk and also some water. And finally you want to just squeeze in the juice of a fresh lime, and once you do that then you just want to stir everything together. So just give it a really good stir before you put the lid on, and then we're going to let this slow cook on high for 4 hours. And this is what your curry potato should look like after 4 hours. I'm just going to take the lid off to show you, and it is nicely cooked. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some more black pepper and pink salt, and that's going to enhance the taste as well. What you want to do as well before you serve, you also want to remove the cinnamon stick, the bay leaves, and the thyme stem, that have been tied together. And this is a really easy recipe, and it's a really easy vegan friendly recipe made in the slow cooker, so there's not much work to do once you put it in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and most importantly, please make it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you on the other side.